Talaga yun.
One shot on ping ah. On Glen. Be careful.
Guys, we're already in Willow Shade Lake, okay? Guys, be fast. Don't have time.
Careful as well.
Tier to 5 Meyer. Blue Vortex din 12 minutes.
Ano ba tong
Guys,
ano?
final map guys is Frosted Kibas.
What's the W of for Chammer? Inertia ring or dash?
Dash.
Dash. Copy.
Hindi ka talaga totally def tank katabens.
Brawler.
Brawler ka, taga-pukpok ka.
Aray ko naging pokpok pa.
Okay nang maka-healer.
Taga-pokpok.
Nag-hold ka yan.
Pokpok boy.
Ano ka,
Yun.
broker na nag-hold ng kalaban.
Mitra. Can you mark Grigora? Can you mark Grigora? Mitra.
Up check 1 2.
Hindi ko pa nakita
Upcheck.
siya noon.
Willow Shade Meyer.
He's
Willow
on
Shade Meyer.
Meyer.
Just go to Frosted Kibas, guys. Go Frosted Kibas.
Sinong nandyan? Pasko na lang yung leader ng CT2.
Diretso lang mo dire. Frosted Kibas.
Bumaba talaga.
Wag nang sana ma-OC
Red zone, kaya. Just to scout.
Go Frosted Kibas, guys.
31 to 50. 31 to 50. There's OPC.
Okay, we fight them.
Mitra.
Ilan day?
DA 7.
Ano name? Pasko.
Okay, come sa taas, fine.
Paslit,
Guys.
Mitra. Mark.
Anong name?
Tier 2 blood.
Okay guys, they're level 7 DA. Come sa taas. Follow me.
Raikra ata. Yung Raikra.
Anong name? Pasko sa'yo yung ano.
Please.
Ay,
Tuloy pa lang kami.
Follow me.
Okay.
Follow me, I'm on the ping. We're gonna fight here, guys. Come. Follow me. We fight. Listen to me, okay? We fight.
Ano ba tumataas yung ping?
Guys, our gameplay, guys.
Anong name?
Racer daw.
Racer.
Yeah.
Follow me, guys. Our gameplay, guys, is Brawl Clap, okay? If you're a Clap DPS, every time I call for an engage, you drop E.
Okay.
They're still fully mounted.
Dismount on me. Catch.
Oh my god.
You're the party lead, bro.
I'm party lead. Alright.
Oh, nakakatch ako. Kunin, ano nyo to? Uy. Ang ina.
Dismounted na.
Okay, come sa east.
They're brawl as well.
Okay.
So for Astral.
Come sa east. Come north now. Let me know if they dismounted, okay? Come now.
Dismounted.
Push it, come sa east.
Color is
I need someone to rat the fucking vortex, okay? Look north to us. Wait, ready defensive here. Wait. Wait, okay, guard the defense. Ready defense. Spread more. Def, okay. Walk in. Stop them north. Northwest on me, step up. Boots in now. Northwest 5, 4, 3, on me now. Okay, full brawl them west. They're getting wiped on the west. Focus the vortex now. Come back to the vortex and spread. Come to the vortex and spread. Spread, guys. Please spread. Defend west. Kakasabi ko lang, spread. Guys, what the fuck are you doing? Spread. Find me, guys. My crown, ready. West side. 3, 2, 1. My crown now. Drop you on me. Okay, come to me. I need heal. Come on, guys, spread. Guys, heal up. My healers, are you AFK? Spread out, guys. Spread out. Can someone take the vortex? Can someone get the vortex? Wait. Yo, they're looking. Ready, defend. Defend ready. Defend ready, north. Defend. Oh, counter on me. 3, 2, 1, on me now. Wrap them. Full brawl them. Come north on the vortex. Okay, kill their caller. Their caller is dying. Go get the vortex. Go get the vortex northwest. Come northwest. Come outside. I got the vortex. The protect. You take it. Come east. Come southeast. Spread. Mycon, find me Mycon southeast. In 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Wipe them. Pull push him. Vortex, why did you drop the vortex? The protector! Bobo ka! Putang ina mo, I'm gonna kick you in the guild, bro. Come southeast, full push southeast. Defend. Yo, keep pushing east. Keep pushing east. Stop them east. East side on me in 3, 2, 1. East now. Full custom east. Full custom east. North now. Okay, defend now. Go defend. Walk. I need heal, guys. Please, heal me. Come south. We need to regroup. Come south. Find me in my con. Heal up. Keep going east. Come east. Okay, turn west in 3, 2, 1. West now. Walang damage pa rin. Okay, spread. Ready, defend. Brawl east, guys, can you go back? Please, Brawl east, come east. We kite east. Panalo na sana, oh. Kite east, guys. Frost tip crevasse. Kite east. Delay them.
Man.
The protector, I'm gonna kick you in the guild. Go caravan now. Come east. Come east, guys. We need help, Foster crevasse. If you're not gonna be here in 1 minute, I'm gonna kick everyone in the fucking guild. Guys are fucking trash. Come east.
Magmamount ba yung nasa likod?
Mount up the back. Dismount on me. Ilan days? Ba't kayo namamatay dyan, mga bobo? Dismount on me, guys. I'm on the ping.
Guys, mount out if they're far.
My 2 healers is dying. Edgidar.
We only have 1 healer. Hello?
How many healers in
Sorry.
dito?
Thrillers coming. Where? He's on Glen. We still on Glen.
Fuck.
The healer is dying.
Yawa na nga bilin eh.
We don't have healer now.
He's on Glen.
We cannot fight anymore.
Mire. Go to Mire. We're in Mire. You guys are trash. Really trash, guys. Really trash. You keep dying, no defensive. Grabe, we're fighting a shit Zerg.
Guys, kita yung gauge nila. Kaya pinutin yung gigapots.
You guys are fucking trash. Really trash. Come to Mire, please. Come to Mire.
We're zoning. The healer is zoning.
Where? We cannot even delete. We cannot even defend. Use this D-tanks. We're still level 5 DA, guys. Per 15 comms. Yo, the protector, go caravan your gears. I'm gonna kick you now, bro. Go out. Don't kill him, just caravan your gears, go out. Get out of the fucking...
I'm okay.
Nasa Mire sila.
Sagid yung protector.
You know what you did, protector.
Mark check.
Everyone played bad, guys. Everyone. Including my demon armors. You all play bad. Go to Mire, please. Go to Mire. Sana yung regear ko? Bukas pa kayo dadating?
We're zoning. We're on lake. We're zoning on Mire.
I don't know why you guys clumping like that. I can't understand your style of play.
Yung may mga occult dyan. Pinagdala kayo. Namatay ako.
May OC ako, hindi ako pwede magbagsak. Sino bagkus ano? Sino gusto?
Ano noob trap?
Ako na lang.
Oh, Kiki.
Project
Kiki,
lang
Kiki.
ako eh.
Kiki, balik Kiki. Node prop dyan.
Trap.
Naka-OC ako, hindi ko pwede isot. Tayo yan.
On the way, I'm on lake. Gusto niyo hintayin na rin yung blue vortex or...
Party 2 yan, party 2 go to Blue Vortex.
Party to come is.
Merong vortex dyan sa ano, sa Wilshire, Mars, nasa southeast side.
Full na ang PT2.
Madungog, okay, madungog.
Pa-invite kayo mga nag-exa.
Dungog pero murag bungog.
Hindi
May ka na marag nasa CR. Boss Mark.
Party 2, -1. Okay, I will invite you. You're busy.
No one shot ako.
Party 2, go take the Vortex. If you're not from my party, go take the Vortex.
Yeah, we already in Vortex.
Pa-join ko.
Comay.
Daming bobo sa
Comay.
puta. Yo, where's the occult?
Guys, yung may mga occult. Okay. Dadala.
Okay. Thank you.
Saya.
Mayer, bro. Mayer. Are you not in comms?
Hindi ba natin lalagay ito sa cross, Kay?
Ay, it's ano?
Pwede tayo mag-northeast dito kung cross. Para level ito.
Level 7
Pero cross na lang.
pa lang yung cross.
Cross na lang. Sino na blood letter dyan? Meron ba?
Wala, ewan ko lang. Wala siguro.
Unang engage pala ng kalaban, dalawang healer agad yung patay.
Mabobo eh.
Kaya pala last.
Puro kayo natural club. Sinabi ko ng spread.
Kay, sa likod mo. Blood letter. Kira.
Take.
May gloves din pala rito yun. Kaya naman blood letter ako, gloves.
Ako, nagka-cut off.
Ano nangyari dapat kung binitawan yung core o nabitawan? Oo, namatay.
Binitawan
Binitawan niya. Kukunin ko sana yung core. Kinuha niya sa akin. Tas nung nagbo-brawl na tayo sa enemy nila, ay sa brawl sa enemy, binitawan niya sa gitna. Ang tawag na doon.
Ano ba yung role niya? D-tank siya, okay.
Kaya sabi ko, ako nakahawak kasi naka-heal yun hood din ako na ano, pero energizing shield. Hindi ako naka-heal yun hood. Siya naka-heal yun hood ata siya. Ayaw niya ibigay. Yung nagbo-brawl na, ayun, na-drop.
Nagpindot na yung D. Nag-drop na yun nga.
Yung D niya. Sana dinrop na lang niya. Alam niya naman may heal yun.
Hindi niya na sana kinuha in the first place.
Ayun nga yun. Ayun nga yung pinakaunang point doon. Dapat din niya nakinuha. Kung di niya i-hold din.
Alien hood users talaga, hindi pwedeng kumuha ng number 1 na yun.
Hindi lang ano yung problema doon, hindi lang yun. Yung natural camping na kailang beses ko na sinabi, huwag kayo mag-clamp spread, sabi ko. In-engage kayo ng libre.
Zord problem na yan.
5,000 yung bot.
Bobo.
Yo, the blue vortex, bring it to cross, okay? The blue vortex, bring it to cross.
Mga dalawa ito na may
Racer don't AFK the type. Pala ko.
Uy, ano mo naon ganyan kaya?
Bugo kayo kan.
Heal,
Bugo kayong party.
Ilang beses dito nagsabi. Go northeast, go northeast.
Gago, hindi play, patay na rin sana yung caller.
Go northeast.
Kapag ano?
Ilang healer,
Nagpakaluoy na, Boss Mark.
ilang healer lang kasi natira.
Lay, lay,
Pro
lay.
nature pa.
Nature nga natira eh.
Timing ko yung
nakita akong
pag-spawn
healer.
ako. Yawa.
Ikuan lang sa Saudi. Yatay.
Agang yung cheater sa Zerg.
Discord ko?
Grabe na lagi na sa veil, pwede pag mag-proper.
Benz, pag kami
Saling-
nag-i-info na isa, wag ka na mag-info. Kinasapawan mo yung nag-i-info eh. Next time. Pag isang dito lang nag-i-info, okay na yun. Hindi naman multiple Zerg yung kalaban natin.
Watch yung wood pre ah. Tingnan natin kung ano nangyari kanina. Okay. Okay, let me stream.
Yun na, naglakaw pa may. Sa blue.
Yung sudlan. Saan tayo no?
Kasi ni Senti, walang heal.
Uy, dami na naman ako. Core damage ko lang.
Wala kasi na na-send dito.
Guys, let's wait for the blue vortex.
Tulong ng occult. 3 lang kami dito. May occult.
Tapos Kiki. Tara natin. Saan na Raven?
Sync na.
Okay na, lag ng net ko ngayon.
First engage, only 1 DPS drop. Drop E with me.
I have the thoughts. I will send you, okay? Let me send you the thought after this.
Kay have bot too.
See, I'm calling guys, please spread. And they stay on the choke. No defensive, no detang, no everything.
Party 2 still. Coba play aja lah.